planning to bring your fiancé to the United States? Understanding the true cost of a K-1 visa is essential before starting this significant journey. While the basic government fees total $800, the actual expenses can reach several $1,000s when accounting for all requirements. The K-1 visa, commonly known as the Fiancé visa, allows the foreign fiancé of a United States citizen to enter the country with the requirement that they marry within 90 days of arrival. The process involves multiple steps and fees that add up quickly. The core K-1 visa costs begin with Form I-129F, the petition for alien fiancé, which costs $535. This initial application is filed with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services by the American citizen sponsor. Once approved, the foreign fiancé must complete Form DS-160 and pay an additional $265 for the visa application fee. After arriving in the United States and getting married, the foreign spouse typically applies for permanent residency through an adjustment of status. This requires Form I-485, which costs $1,140, plus an additional $85 for biometrics, bringing the total to $1,225. Beyond these government fees, applicants face several additional expenses. Medical examinations performed by approved physicians can cost between $50 and $500, depending on the country. Document acquisition and translation fees vary widely, with even a simple birth certificate translation potentially costing $20 to $40. If the foreign fiancé has children who will also immigrate, each child requires their own K-2 visa application at $265 per child. Adjustment of status for children under 14 costs $750. While those 14 and older pay the full $1,225. Travel expenses to and from interviews, shipping costs for documents, and professional photography for application requirements further increase the total investment. When all these expenses are tallied, the complete K-1 visa process typically costs between $2,000 and $5,000. Not including the price of relocating to the United States. Many applicants wonder if expedited processing is available. Unfortunately, premium processing is not an option for K-1 visas. While certain emergency situations like military deployment may qualify for expedited review, approval is never guaranteed. The best way to avoid delays is ensuring all forms are complete, accurate, and supported by well-organized evidence. When deciding between a K-1 fiancé visa and a marriage-based green card, consider your specific circumstances. The K-1 visa is ideal for couples who wish to marry in the United States, while the marriage-based green card requires the couple to marry abroad first. Processing times differ as well, with K-1 visas typically taking 10 to 14 months, while marriage-based green cards may take 12 to 18 months. The K-1 visa has an approval rate of 66%, meaning many applications face denial. Common reasons include insufficient proof of a genuine relationship, inadequate financial evidence, errors in application forms, failure to meet the in-person meeting requirement, or criminal history issues. To improve your chances, provide strong documentation of your relationship through photos, travel records, and communication history. Many applicants choose to hire an immigration lawyer to navigate this complex process. Attorney fees typically range from $750 to $2,000, but this investment can prevent costly mistakes and delays. Immigration lawyers provide expertise, up-to-date information, and ensure timely filing of all required documents. The entire K-1 visa process, from initial application to green card approval, averages about 19 months total, 6 months for the K-1 visa approval, and 13 additional months for the green card process. This timeline does not include the time needed to gather documents or schedule interviews. Understanding the full financial commitment of the K-1 visa process helps couples prepare adequately for this important step. While the costs are significant, proper planning and preparation can help minimize delays and additional expenses as you begin your life together in the United States.